Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I live in Utah. I'm up against these Wasatch Mountains right here. So today I'm going to give you a life update of what's going on with me. I had my MRI done and I have the results, and I'm glad I finally have some answers, but it's kind of going to be a journey, I think. So between my low back pain and the sciatic pain that has been pushing all the way down my leg for 2 months, and then before that I was injured about 10 years ago, I have been dealing with excruciating nerve pain. And the MRI said that my vertebrae from L3 all the way down to S1, every one of them have something going on. I've got bulging discs, I've got bone spurs, and the foramen, the hole, is kind of closed in and pinching that nerve. It's just kind of miserable. I have arthritis. I'm 41. I have arthritis in my back. So there's lots of stress associated with that, and it's not very fun, and I'm worried they're going to do some injections, and then they're going to do an ablation, which is burning the nerves. So if you've ever dealt with this, please leave me some comments, some advice. But today I'm actually really happy to be outside for just a few minutes as I hobble around my yard looking for signs of spring. I saw a few crocus, and I am going to go walk to those crocus and uncover them. So come along, let's go find them. Normally I would be cleaning up my iris at this time, but I gotta be patient. It's really difficult dealing with any type of injury, but it's so good to see some growth on my iris. Oh, during the season, this spot looks so amazing. Right now, everything looks kind of dead. It is waking up though. All these beautiful bushes are going to look so amazing. I just got to get out here with some fresh air and enjoy my mountains for a minute. I have time to clean things up. It's going to be okay. I'm really curious to see if some of those roses I put in are still working. Oh, let's look. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We got some growth on my rose. Got some gopher mounds we got to take care of. But over here I saw some crocus. I don't get to get out here very often. Like I said, I'm dealing with some really horrible back injuries. Another gopher mound. Lots of things that need to be cleaned up. But look! You are the hope I needed. You right there. When I get some time, when I'm feeling better, I've got to come clean up these beds. And it's just going to have to wait. But look at some more hope. There's some more hope. Crocus, to me, let's see if I can remove some of this junk. It's not really junk. I'm going to use it. But look, some hope. Some hope in the midst of all the chaos. Your crocus bring me hope and joy. Look how good the Angelina sedum looks. I got to get more of that. That is beautiful. It's a bright, bright color. All the leaf mulch I did on purpose, honestly. But it's time to clean it up. I'm going to go put it in my compost with all the rabbits, and they will enjoy that. Chickens are back there too. Over in these beds, there's going to be so many beautiful iris coming up. I planted new peonies, and I have some new roses in here. I'm so excited to see the new things that I've planted this year, last season. There's a Boscobel rose in there. I'm so excited to see the iris that I traded for. So I can't clean up things right now, and that's okay. But even though I can't, there's still life springing forth. So exciting. Hi, Frisky. He's getting old. right here is where I planted a lot of new iris. All the iris that I traded. I'm so excited. So it's just a really quick video. There's not a lot to see that's pretty right now, but there is hope. There's hope of spring. There's hope of healing. There's hope of coming out of the winter. So I will see you guys later. Bye.